Okay, this is how you install the air release valve on top of the Aquasource. This one hasn't been assembled yet, which is why there's no pressure gauge right here. Anyway, so we're just going to focus on this part. So to take it out, you just back it out with thread, and you pull out the air release. And what you want to do is you just want to inspect to make sure that this silicone gasket is not damaged and is perfectly flat on the top. And then also, if you kind of peek in there, there are two black O-rings, and you just kind of want to visually just inspect those to make sure that those two O-rings are intact. Now, when you put it in here, what happens is as you thread it in, that clear gasket, that kind of opaque gasket, pushes against kind of a little platform back here, and that's what creates the main seal. So if you have water coming out of the end, or air, it's because that gasket is away from that shelf, that platform. If you have water coming out here, out of the threads, that means that those two O-rings are not seated properly. So if you got water coming out of the threads, it's because of the black O-rings. If you have water coming out of here, it's because of that white silicone gasket. So you just put it in, and it's really just finger tight, and that should keep air and water from coming out of the end here. And then the black O-rings, if they are intact, should keep water from coming out of here. So just make sure that thing is threaded on really well. And if you still have a problem, we'll continue to work on it.